Hello and welcome to Honda Bolton. My name's Charlotte and today we're giving you a full video tour of this 2015 edition Toyota RAV4 that we do have in our stock. It does come in the absolutely stunning metallic vermilion red along with your 2-litre diesel engine. It is ideal for those covering extra miles. And for any further information regarding this vehicle, please give us a call on 01204 827 906. So starting at the front, you do have your automatic LED daytime and headlights to ensure you do always have a full illumination of the road ahead. They do also look very stylish as well. Moving round to the side, they do sit on these stunning alloy wheels, which are followed by your electronically adjustable and heated folding door mirrors, with your indicators incorporated in there. Just behind your rear privacy glass, and as this is smart entry, you can easily gain access. You will find a full cloth finish, so very comfortable for all travelling passengers. As it is a 2015 edition, it has covered 54,355 miles. You do have your complementing badging either side, along with an electronic tailgate release button on your key fob. This will reveal a very spacious boot area there, along with your handy netted shelf area there as well. To close the boot back over, you do have a button located just above your head if you do press this just for a second, or if you wish you can hold the button on your key fob once again. You can see there you do have your rear parking camera, which I will demonstrate further in the video. If we move along into your front interior features, you will find your multifunctional full leather steering wheel, which does sit alongside your central display screen with all your surrounding audio controls and climate just below there as well. Just opposite, again, your two front seats are full cloth with a handy armrest and below storage in the centre. So that does conclude our full 360 walk around of this vehicle. So if we now take a seat in the front on your stylish sport seats, if we start just to your right hand side, first of all on your driver's door, you will find your controls to operate all four of your electronic windows, along with your central lock-in. And further up, you do even have your outer wing mirror adjustments, along with your engine start-stop button. So this will ensure you do have a quick set-off. Moving just to the right of your steering wheel, you will find your audio controls, including your voice recognition. You do even have a small paddle located behind for your speed limiter to stay well in that safe legal limit. You do even have your volume alteration and channel controls just to your left as well. You do even have a small screen in your cockpit, which you can display vital car information using the up and down arrows on your steering wheel. In the centre, you do have your display screen with all your surrounding controls. This is touchscreen as well, so very easy to navigate around. As you can see, you do have all your various audio options, including your Bluetooth, a built-in CD player, and of course all your radio stations. So there are plenty to choose from. And if you do connect via Bluetooth, you can gain access to your car apps, along with making hands-free safe phone calls. You do have all your vital car information on here as well. And if you pop the car into reverse, it will activate your rear parking camera, giving you a very clear rear view display. This is perfect getting in those tighter spaces with an extra hand there. Moving just below, you do have your climate dial, so alternate your temperature and your direction flow. You do even have a front and rear heated windscreen option just to your left hand side, so very handy in those colder winter conditions. As you move just below, you do have several power outlets to keep any devices fully charged, along with your options to drive in sport mode. This is followed by a handy cup holder, and as this is a manual transmission, you do have your manual gear stick, manual parking brake, a small storage area, and of course if you lift your armrest up as well, this will expose even further storage to keep any valuables hidden. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give us a call on 01204 827 906 and a member of our Honda team will be happy to help. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button just below to keep up to date with all our exclusive Honda videos.